Hello, I'm Patrick Hogan, and this is my tutorial on how to upload a video to Facebook for the purpose of expanding the ministry. Please forgive my informalness, as the long month I've had has caused me to let my health slide a little bit, and I've been down on my back for the last couple of days, and I'm not supposed to be up and about, but we'll make the most of it. Again, as I said, this is my tutorial on how to upload a video message to Facebook for the purpose of expanding a ministry. Um, some of the things that it can do as to expand a ministry is to bring more of a face-to-face communication form than just a written message can do. And it helps build that community. It helps people see who they're talking to, see some facial expressions, see give some context to what I'm saying in your message, that they can't get just from seeing words on a page. First thing you need to do in order to do this is you need to plan out your lesson. You need to find your good study Bible. You need to make a lesson plan and plan out what you're going to say. You need a good notebook to write it all down in. You can use a computer, but it also helps to have it written up and have something that you can see to actually be able to talk from, be able to speak from. It's always good to memorize what you're going to say and to be able to communicate it better, so you don't have to look like you're just reading something like off of a script or a canned message. So that's the first thing you need to do, is plan your lesson, write it out, and know what you're going to say and know what you're going to do. The next thing you need to do is you need to have some kind of device, whether it be cell phone or digital camera or iPad digital device, something that you can use that can, or even a computer like I'm using now, something that you can use to record your message. There are different types of programs out there. One of the best ones I've found is the one that is on our CCU website. That's the Screencast-O-Matic, that you can download to your computer. You go to screencast-o-matic.com, and their home site, and it comes up a prompt and tells you how to download it. If you use the free site, you only get like 15 minutes. They give you 15 minutes, and if you're long-winded like I am, that's not a lot of time for a message. But for, I believe it's $1.50 a month, you can do what they call GoPro, and that gives you more time for your message on the screen. There are other programs out there. You gotta look and find what program works best for you. YouTube has some that you can do direct. I'm not as familiar with those as I am with this one, but the Screen-O-Matic is one I found that works best. So download your program and get your computer set up, or whatever your filming device is. The next step is to go ahead and film your message. Once you film your message, you save your message. You can save it to your computer, and Facebook has a little app down at the bottom of your screen that you can upload something from your computer. It also has a thing that you can upload from your camera. And a lot of the digital cameras nowadays and the cameras on your phones also have a feature where you can upload directly to Facebook. And then you can actually type your message out, or type a message out with it if you want, or you can just download the message itself and put a title on there. And the Screencast-O-Matic does the same thing. It has a feature on where you can upload directly to Facebook. I found that's, for me, is the easiest way to do it. Is to, you record the message, you click on the download from your computer, you download the message, you send the message directly from Screen-O-Matic to Facebook. Excuse me. Once you send the message, or you hit send to Facebook, it comes up with a little prompt with, do you want to add to your message? Then you can type out the message. If you want to type a whole message, type your whole message out, and then click post. And it will post your message directly to Facebook with your message and the video feature on there. Another way you can do it is uploading it from Screen-O-Matic, or again from your device, to YouTube, and then you can upload. You can type in on Facebook the link that Facebook gives you, or that YouTube gives you. You can type that message, that in your message block, and it will actually print up it will print up the little screen where you can click on to play that as well. But again, if you're doing it that way, it limits your time. Facebook also has the feature of Facebook Live. The problem with Facebook Live is if there is any kind of interference around, you're in a dead zone, or if there's bad weather, it skips. The quality of it's poor. You can't zoom in or pan out. It's set as is, the way it is, and again, it also restricts your time, and it's really just poor quality. So the easiest way to do it is, from start to finish, plan your message, write out your message, find a way to record your message. Find your media source, record the message, upload your message to Facebook, and type in your written message to go with it. Again, what that does is that gives people more options. They can see who they're talking to. They can learn from you face to face. They see your facial expressions. They hear your voice. They hear your changes in voice. They can see what context you're speaking from. Whereas they can't always get that from just a written message. So take the time to check it out, to try it out. Try going through your different medias, your different areas to find out what works for you. But it's a basic, simple process that can expand your media. As BAME talks about, building your community, building your digital community, and help bring that community closer together. Thank you, and God bless.